Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Tynker account for the Year 5 solar system project. Now, first thing is we go into Tynker. And once you're here, if you do not have a class from or an account from Tynker before, go ahead and join for free, or you can just go ahead and log in. And either way, you use your teacher's Google account. So I'm using the Google, and I sign in, and basically you're in. So first thing, when you're in, it'll ask you, do you want to add a class to link Google Classroom? But if you had an account before, you might have something else. You might already have some classes. So since this is a new account, so I go ahead and link my Google Classroom. And allow. So, and now you can go ahead and select the classes that you have in your Google Classroom. So I click in and I just made this one right here, Year 5 Solar System Tynker. Okay. And Year 5 is grade 4. So I go ahead and next. Now, once that is done, this is what it's going to look like. As you can see right here, it says Year 5 Solar System Tynker. Uh, but I do not want to assign these lessons. All right. So what we have to do is, first thing is we go click on my classes right here. Then you see, here it is. This is the class, the Year 5 Solar System Tynker class. So there are 2 students that's assigned right now. Um, Now I need to find the solar system Tynker. So I will go ahead and go to create project. And from here, I go to search and I just type in solar system. I got to first play it. So this is what's going to look like for the kids. And just to demonstrate to you, I will type in, change the name to just solar uh, year 5. Okay. And 2021. Now I go ahead and hit save. So solar year 5, 2021. You can go ahead and make a description you want, um, and just go ahead and save. Done. Now I can go out right here with the arrow. You can go back out, and then I can go to my projects. Here it is. This is the one. Remember, solar year 5, 2021. So I can go ahead and assign. And I assign to the year 5 solar system Tynker. And you can leave a message, just assign. So now it is added to the lesson. Now go back to my classes, and you can see there are, well, it says 0 because they haven't started yet. And I can go ahead and print a student login. So here it is for the individual login, or you can use, which one is it? I don't think they need that. And they can always use this class code right here. Okay. So as you can see, it's 26664462. Okay. Now I will log in as a student to show you how a student will log in. So I'll choose this, I think one of these as the student's account. Okay. Now we are on the iPad, and I am a student, so I go to Tynker, and it has a big red T. So right here it is. We'll go ahead and select Tynker. And the first thing the student needs to do is go ahead and sign in. Just sign in with Google, and that will be 6. And as you recall, I used the tech 6 at, no, sorry, it's bps.tech 6 at tes. Okay, and the account. Oop. Yep. Now I am in. As you can see right here, it's on the top. It says Tynker for School, Year 5 Solar System Tynker. So testing 6. Testing 6 is the account name. Now I can go ahead and go to my class project. And here it is, the class project. It says Solar Year 5 2021. Now I can go ahead and work on the project. As you can see right here, it has a little arrow pointing to a book on the top right here. That means the white part is the tutorial. Okay, so you can always click on the book to get out of the tutorial as a child, but you do want the tutorial, so you just follow the direction. Okay, and we'll go to next. And as you can see now, we are, you see right here, we are right now at stage. Okay, it's whited out. And if I want to go to the sun, I click on the sun. So these are the codes for the sun and Mercury, Venus, etc. So we start off with the stage. So the stage is the background. As you can, now you can read the tutorial and follow each step. Select stage, property, add a background. So let's go find, select property. Let's see. And you click on that, property, and add a background. Let's just, you can also import a photo or draw one, but I'm just going to use space, and I will use, I'll choose this one right here as the background. Okay. And let me go back. Done. Okay, so now it's done. And then drag. It says select background from media library, so I already did that. Then drag this block. So I can just go ahead and click and drag out the block. Click on the white area to switch to background block and choose one of the background you just added. So I can go to the white area right here. Okay, and this was the background. All right, now so because I already did that, tap the text says add background. So let's try again. So I go ahead and click this, add background, and let's say this time I want to use this one, space 14. So I go ahead and click. If we look at the property, you see space 14 is there. Okay, so we can go to next. So now add the music, etc. It will tell you how to do that. So let's just try to, now let's go to do earth. Okay, it says code earth. And as you can see on the top, now the whiter part is in earth. So remember, when you're doing each planet, you have to actually select the planet to get in there to do the coding.